Multi-cam sequences are a fast and efficient way to edit a project where one event is being filmed from multiple angles. Premiere Pro can automatically sync your cameras and display all your angles at once. Let's take this step by step. First, we'll make a multi-cam source sequence. Select the clips that you want to sync. Right-click and choose Create Multi-Camera Source Sequence. We'll give a quick overview of this menu. You have a few options on how you want to name your sequence. You can name it based on your video clip name, your audio clip name, or customize the title of your sequence. If you have marked in points or out points on your clips, you can tell Premiere that you have marked the specific moment you want the clips to line up. This requires manual precision and is based on your selections. If your clips have accurate time codes, you can use one of these options. If you want Premiere to sync your clips for you, select the audio track option. This is the best option if you have consistent audio between your cameras, like a clapboard or voiceover, or in our case, an interview. The automatic sequence preset is based on the format and frame rate of the first clip you selected. You can manually select another preset if necessary. If you know that your audio is out of sync, you can tell Premiere how many frames need to be accommodated. Move source clips to processed clips bin will move the clips in your multicam into their own bin. This is a way to keep your project panel organized. Now let's talk about the audio in your multi-cam sequence. If you are only using audio from camera 1, select camera 1. If you have audio on all of your cameras and you want all the audio to play at the same time, select all cameras. If you want the audio source to change based on which camera you are looking through, select Switch Audio. Premiere will automatically adjust your sequence to match the audio settings of the first clip you selected. The last section of the menu helps you label your cameras. Enumerate cameras will label the cameras with numbers. Track names will label the cameras with V1, V2, and so on. Clip names will label your cameras based on how they are titled in your project panel. Select OK. Now we'll use the multicam source sequence to create a multicam target sequence. The target sequence is what we'll use to edit. To preserve your settings, do not drag and drop your source sequence to the timeline panel. Instead, right-click the source sequence and select New Sequence from Clip. Go to the Program Monitor. Select the wrench icon and change your display to multicam. We can add a few buttons to your button bar to help you out. Select the plus icon. Drag the multicam record button to your toolbar. Then, drag the multicam toggle to the button bar. You're all set up. Now we can finally edit. Press the spacebar to start playback. As the footage is playing, switch between the cameras in your multicam view. When you stop playing, the cuts will appear in your timeline. To review your edits, select the multicam toggle button to switch back to composite view. To make more edits, toggle it back, press the spacebar, and keep editing. After the cuts are made, you can edit them in the timeline like any other clip. For more details and tips, check out the description below to see the user guide for this topic.